Yeah. Low ski. Back in the motherfucking building. Uptown Shizzy get busy. That's what I want y'all enemies to do for me, nigga. BBM boys. Pray. Free Manny Guns. I'm him, not them, nigga. Same shit, different air freshener. Shouts out to Jim Jim. Nah. It's winning season. Whatever you want. They say killers move in silence, so I move quiet. Compact 40 long clip that start a riot. Giving cats the opposites of diets. You gain 30 pounds when you die, no lie. Smooth criminal, but I move like the mob guys. Lobster and linguine on the table sipping my ties. With a bad bitch, all about that chicken like Popeyes. I get it going in a day, nigga, we can make them birds fly. Homie, this is no lie. Rest in peace to Fishkill, he died chasing moolah. Yeah, these niggas bitchin', I'm whipping it with precision. 62 up in that pot, I'm whipping it in the kitchen. Ayy, state to state, dropping foreigners all through your district. Got my paper up, so now I do Birkin for all my bitches. You can't hang with us, your money too small. Just like a midget, I can have a killer walk up on you for a smidget, nigga.
Listen, only reason I hopped in this beat, cause I got Gucci all on my feet. And I keep that true religion on my ass. This why you mad, bitch, you look sad, you ugly as hag. You better get that shit and bury that fast, I'm about that drama. And I say something for your damn mama. I'm that bad bitch from North Philly. I ride hard, but I ride dirty. I definitely don't like the cops, homie, so I keep a break from my side homies. Catch me on that block with that swamp nigga, that's real niggas. You can't stop me, you Bill, nigga. So I got that paper, better get your cake, stop talking that shit like what you got, like who you stay with. Cause I'm that same bitch you watching, I'm that same bitch you clock. I don't know how to sing, but you know I like the rock. And my favorite drink's a rock. I'll be crushing on my haters just to get to the tippy top. So why stop if it's flamers? Why not? Fuck these haters. When I smile, it should be famous. All I'm saying, I'm gon' get it. Ayy.